Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We have so much to cover here for harmonyone. In this video, we're going to be going over all the latest news and updates. So if you love harmonyone and you want to stay up to date with all other altcoins as well, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. It would really help me out so much. We already have almost 5,000 subscribers here in the last couple of days, so I am so grateful. If y'all can help me out for 5,000 subscribers, that would be amazing here. But let's jump right in. So we have our first piece of news here talking about how Elon Musk made some Bitcoin FUD talking about how Bitcoin is not environmentally friendly and it uses a lot of energy, even though the banking system uses twice as much energy as Bitcoin miners do to mine this Bitcoin and all the transaction fees and energy that consumes that. But we do see that a lot of players have since talked about energy efficiency here with their protocols and their tokens and their coins, and we do see harmonyone as one of the green coins that are lining up. It says here, must split from Bitcoin. Dozens of green coins are lining up, presenting themselves as the best option to be the future Tesla payment method. Harmony is one of the green coins pack members that prevents a valid argument for itself. Harmony is an Ethereum-based cross-chain application platform. Most notably, the Harmony platform is a bridge between creator and consumer, an open market mainnet application for the sales of NFTs, non-fungible tokens. And NFTs are really hot right now. So harmonyone implementing that into their tokenomics and their ecosystem is another great reason why harmonyone is right now pumping so much. And we says here, the harmonyone platform boasts an efficiency that big players simply cannot. It has impressive scaling capabilities, able to finalize a contract every 2 seconds. It has very low gas fees. Like we know, Ethereum has super high gas fees. That's why we saw a lot of people trying to buy when they were buying the Shiba token. They had huge gas fees on Uniswap because Ethereum's gas fees have been sky high for the last couple months now, and it's something that they need to take care of. And right now, there's a lot of competitors out there that have low gas fees, and harmonyone is one of them. So compared to its larger progenitor, and it utilizes an energy efficient proof of stake algorithm, making it far less consumptive than Bitcoin. So we see that here. Let's look on their Twitter page too, because they're also talking about a lot of stuff there too. So we did cover this ecosystem of harmonyone. If you want to take a look into that more in depth, you can go onto their Twitter page or check out my last video on harmonyone. So as you can see in this tweet, it says our validators voted and we executed. And that's the best part about harmonyone, is it is a DAO, and a DAO stands for decentralized automated organization. And what a DAO really is a way where organizations can be automated, not using human resources or not using humans in order to operate and run either an organization or a company or just rules in general. And the way that they are run, though, they are still overlooked by humans. And the way that that is happening is through voting. And you can vote if you do have the harmonyone tokenomics here. They have a token that says you get 2-second transaction finality. Try it. Send any amount you want anywhere in the world, and we can settle it in 2 seconds. So quick. That is very fast here. And you just get a fast execution from the team. They do have a retweet here. It says, we are happy to announce that the network governance parameters have been changed and the proposal has been passed. That means that all 3 previous proposals passed, and the team will include them in the upgrade that is scheduled for early June. So be on the lookout for early June. We do have news here that they have been upgrading their protocol, making it more efficient. They can send 2-second transactions anywhere in the world. This is just one great thing about harmonyone that is making it stand apart from everybody else as well. And we have more news on top of that. This is a huge piece of news right here. It says, One Immortal partners with Prince Sheikh Mohammed Khalifa bin Sultan Al Nahyan. Hopefully I said that right, but we are pleased to announce our partnership with Sheikh Mohammed, member of the royal family of Abu Dhabi. That is insane. They have partnered up with one of the members of the royal family of Abu Dhabi. This is huge. So you know that there's going to be big money invested in this protocol and the whole harmonyone ecosystem. Just one more reason why it is going up huge right now. And I think that it can still go up 5x from here. 500% move to the upside. 600, 700%. We can see in the future here for harmonyone. It is separating itself from its competitors like Ethereum with its low gas fees, quick transactions, and huge ecosystem. Is bridging all these ecosystems together. The Binance Smart Chain, it's also bridging the Ethereum Smart Chain as well, the Ethereum blockchain. So this is great to see here. And we're going to get into the price action as well to see where we can see harmonyone in the mid to long term and also the short term right now, because we do see it going up a lot. This is another great piece of news here that we do see about more talking about the whole DAO ecosystem on harmonyone. They do have multiple DAOs, remember, decentralized automated organizations. So you don't need human interventions to get the information you want. They are completely run by automated services like harmonyone protocol here. They do have a community DAO, marketing, grants, regional events, social fairness, validator DAOs as well. And it says this year, Harmony Foundation is set to kickstart multiple decentralized autonomous organizations, and these DAOs are fully owned by the community and will be responsible for managing up to 10 million ones to drive decentralized governments and growth of Harmony's network. So they are taking decentralization to the next level here with all these DAOs that they're also releasing here, product marketing and more. So far, the Harmony Foundation has announced their first two DAOs for validators and community. The validator DAO, with its initial council soon to be elected, will support the growth of Harmony's network, and the community DAO, soon to be kicked off formally, will drive community onboard and engagement. So this is their whole protocol right here, all the DAOs that they're going to be releasing throughout the year. So this is also great to see, but let's jump into the charts and see where harmonyone can go right now. Okay, so now we're looking at the price action for harmonyone here. It is at a current price of 15 cents, almost 16 cents, but we did have a market high of 19 cents almost here. That was at 5 a.m. today. So we did have a lot of nice price action moving up, breaking out of the symmetrical triangle that I drew here a couple days ago. It's been trading in this range and has since broken to the upside and is now doing another retest of this crucial area of support. Let's look at it more close up. We do see that these are multiple 4-hourly candles. We did see this initial rise to the upside, testing this critical area of resistance here. That is my blue box. My blue boxes are famous for being huge resistance and also huge support. We did see the price movement between these two resistance and support boxes. Then we saw it between these two, then back above again, and then trading below again. Now we're trading in this upper range. And this is the critical moment for harmonyone because we are now trading in this upper level here. If we do manage to break this, then we can reach our all-time high that we reached at the end of March 29th. So this is very, very, very critical right here. Let's zoom in a little bit more to see what these candles are doing, because we see a lot of wicks to the upside. And what that means is that the pressure is here towards the downside. They do not want the price of harmonyone breaking here. The bears do not. They're trying to fight for control, but we do see them losing at the moment because we see our price going back up here, and now we're actually closing some 4-hourly candles above this. We do see a red candle right now with a large wick, because that means that we did see the price fall down here to that mid 15-cent range, but we are seeing the price come back up here, but we're still trading below this resistance box. We need to see a closed 4-hourly candle above this resistance box in order to keep going up further. If this does close below, and then we're going to be starting to get more 4-hourly candles closing here towards the downside to ultimately retest this area of support here as well. So that is not a good thing to see. So we do want to see more 4-hourly candles closing above in this region so we can continue going to the upside. And we did see our price target here for this symmetrical triangle breakout, and it was right here exactly at this point at 22 cents. And that move from the initial breakout, when I was making the video, let's see that move. That is a 55% move towards the upside. So that is a great profit right there. Anything above 20 to 30% is obviously very good if you're a short-term trader here. But if you're a hodler, remember, it doesn't even matter. You always want to buy here at support and sell at resistance. Not financial advice, but that is just what it's looking like on the charts. That is the best way to make money. Look, if you buy here at these lower areas of support, you are massive profits right now. Here from this lower area, right here, just the most recent one. Let's measure that move. Right down here around 9 cents, all the way up to the all-time high, or the previous all-time high in here, the local one, 19 cents. We had a 93% move. You almost doubled your money right there. So that is great to see. We are struggling to find support here on this top resistance, but only time will tell if we can create more wicks and more candles to the upside here, closing above this resistance. That's what you want to look out for. And the resistance here is around 16.5 cents to 17 cents. And we do see that we're having so much buying volume right here. That is a crazy amount of buying volume, especially because of the news. Remember, partnering up one of the royal members of Abu Dhabi. That is big money right there. That is oil money. That's a lot of money. And we do see a lot of support from this resistance, or a lot of support from the support box, but we are seeing some resistance at the moment. But we do see huge price targets ahead for harmonyone. Let's look at the RSI. We also finding resistance on this top part of the RSI. If you see how this line that I'm drawing, the price action cannot break above it. But when did we actually see it go above it? Right here, where we had this huge move to the upside. We saw a bunch of the RSI right here above it. So once we break through that, we're going to go into a huge run up for harmonyone. Let's look at some moving averages as well before I let you go. But we do see price targets here for 26 cents, 28 cents, and 32 cents. These are my three areas of resistance for taking profit. 26 cents, 28 cents, and 32 cents right here for harmonyone. And that is a move from right now, the price. That is another 100% move here, 94%. We have a 74%, and we have a 60% price target in the next coming weeks when this bull run starts over again, because we are seeing weakness in the stock market, the crypto market, because of Bitcoins and all the FUD and the ban of China and the China banning of crypto. It always happens every bull run. We have the FUD that China is banning Bitcoin, is banning cryptocurrencies, even though they're still letting people own cryptocurrencies. It's just a huge manipulation of the price. They want the price of Bitcoin to go down. So don't fall for the FUD. If anything, just don't fall for it. But we are seeing great potential here for harmonyone. Let's look at our moving averages as well. And on the 4 hourly, we are finding support here on our 21-day moving average. This is perfect. We want to see that. We might have a little further wick down to this level to then continue all the way up. Look, we did have support here. Now we're starting to trend upwards. And where did we find that again? We did find that right here as well when we first started to come up. Look, riding that yellow line, that 21 EMA as support until we finally broke it down when we had our consolidation phase. So this is great to see that we're starting to see that just start again. So be on the lookout for that. Price predictions are what I listed here. And thank you so much for all the support, almost hitting 5,000 subscribers. Remember to hit that like button, show your support. I appreciate it so much. That is it for me. Peace out.